Good afternoon and welcome to LGTC 5045 Telecollaboration Exchange. So I'm going to give you a little tour of D2L. Right now you're looking at the home. If you click this button on the navigation bar, it will bring you back to the home page every time. Here under content, you will find the content for each week, and what you will find here is the same as what you will find in this content browser. So under course documents, you will find the syllabus and the course description and the student orientation document. And there under each week, there is one document that outlines exactly what you need to be doing for that week. The discussion tab will take you to the discussion board. Here we have a link to a Google document that we call a main class document. We have a main class document in every certificate course. At the end of each week, you're going to write a short reflection on your telecollaboration experience, and you're going to read and comment on other people's reflection. And so to make it easy to find everybody's reflections, we're going to create them in a Google document, and you will get detailed instructions on how to do it. And you will paste a link to your document under your name in this document. This is a link to another Google document called the session schedule, and there is a spot for each person in the class, and then there is a spot for each one of the 10 sessions. And I'm going to ask you to enter your session schedule once you have it, once you have determined what it's going to be, with your language partner, with the day, the date, and the time zone. And my hope is that we will minimize the chances of missing a session, because there'll be a place where you and your language partner will be able to go back and check when your next session is. This is the gradebook. This is the class list. This is where you go to find other people's email. Here you have the news widget, and I use the news widget every week to communicate with you, to give you feedback, to share some interesting resources that I came across during the week. And so sometimes I share important information that you don't want to miss. And so to make sure that you don't miss any information, I suggest that you subscribe so that you get an email notification when I post something. So to receive notifications when I post a news item, go to the top right of your screen and click on the downward facing arrow and go to notifications. And then scroll down. So here you can enter any email address. It doesn't have to be your CEO address, but this is where the notifications will be sent. And then scroll down a little bit and make sure that these two boxes are checked. News item updated. So when I publish something new and when I do a major edit to something I published earlier, usually earlier that day or the day before. You can also get text messages, and I don't want to get text messages, so I didn't check these boxes. I didn't enter a cell phone number. Click Save, and you will return to the home screen. All right, one more thing. First of all, like I said, this is an orientation week. There are a couple deadlines, so make sure to log in by Saturday to become familiar with D2L. You can log in anytime. The course is open right now. I am still in the process of training the second Spanish language partner. We have 9 Spanish students in the class. So as soon as I have her information, I will add it to this document. If you click on the week 1 document, and I will just let you do that on your own time, you will see in red that I did not input the information about the language partners yet, but the information will be in this document by the time the course starts on Saturday. And finally, don't forget to schedule your one-on-one meeting with me. Please do it sooner than later. If your name in the document is in green, it means that I know when our meeting is and I've put in my calendar. And so if you haven't scheduled your one-on-one meeting with me, please do it as soon as possible. And that's it. If you have any questions, if you're struggling with any part of this first week, please let me know. And have a great rest of your week. Thank you.